Pumpkin seeds can offer various benefits for the skin due to their nutritional content. Here are some ways in which pumpkin seeds may contribute to skin health. Rich in antioxidants, pumpkin seeds contain antioxidants like vitamin E and beta-carotene. Antioxidants help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to premature aging and skin issues. Omega-3 fatty acids. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids are essential for maintaining healthy skin by supporting its natural barrier function and helping to keep it hydrated. Zinc content. Zinc is a mineral found in pumpkin seeds that plays a crucial role in the formation of new skin cells, the regulation of oil production, and the healing of wounds. When managing acne. Collagen production. The zinc content in pumpkins when managing acne seeds is also beneficial for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to the skin, keeping it firm and elastic. Hydration. Pumpkin seeds contain water, contributing to overall hydration. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining healthy skin and preventing dryness. Anti-inflammatory properties. Pumpkin seeds may have anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial for those with inflammatory skin conditions like acne or redness. Mineral content. Besides zinc, pumpkin seeds also contain other minerals like magnesium and copper, which are important for overall skin health. It's worth noting that while pumpkin seeds can be a healthy addition to your diet, achieving and maintaining good skin health also requires a balanced and varied diet, proper hydration, sun protection, and a good skincare routine. If you have specific skin concerns, it's always a good idea to consult with a dermatologist for personalized advice. Additionally, some people may be allergic to seeds,